got an N55, the JB4 Stage 2, running the ISO software. Currently having the water pump issue. The pump comes on randomly and drains the battery. So I've disconnected the boost solenoid here to prevent it, so I'm going to reconnect it. You hear the pump will start up. I found that if you reconnect the vent that was removed when the OCC was installed, it turns the pump off. Disconnect this, you'll see the pump will come back on. Pump comes back on. So I'll disconnect the boost solenoid, reconnect the vent, reconnect the boost solenoid here. No pump on. Disconnect this vent. Pump comes back on. Pump off. Hope that works.